Costco's $1.50 hot dog has remained unchanged for decades, a surprising fact. Despite the low price, it drives customer loyalty and revenue, a key strategy. Loss leaders like the hot dog are products sold at a loss to attract customers. These items are often everyday necessities, creating a sense of customer trust. By selling these items cheaply, Costco builds a loyal customer base, a long-term goal. Customers trust the brand to offer low prices on essential items, a promise kept. The hot dog is a symbol of this promise, a consistent and affordable option. Shoppers fill their carts with bulk items, increasing the average basket size, a key metric. Data analysis shows that customers who buy loss leaders spend more overall, a trend observed. Costco's business model relies on this phenomenon, a delicate balance maintained. The company's success is rooted in its ability to balance low prices with high sales volume, a strategy refined. By understanding the economics behind the hot dog, we can uncover the secrets of Costco's success, and analysis begins. Costco's pricing strategy is rooted in creating customer trust and loyalty. The $1.50 hot dog is a loss leader, sold at a loss to drive sales volume. By maintaining this low price, Costco reinforces its brand promise of savings. This strategy encourages customers to fill their shopping carts with bulk items. Shoppers perceive the hot dog as a fair deal, building trust in the brand. Trust leads to increased basket size, as customers buy more items in bulk. Data analysis reveals that members who buy hot dogs tend to spend more overall. Server racks in Costco's data centers process vast amounts of sales data daily. Startup teams study Costco's model, seeking to replicate its success with data-driven insights. Barcode scanners and membership cards track customer purchases and preferences. AI algorithms analyze shopping patterns, helping Costco refine its pricing strategy. By balancing low prices with high sales volume, Costco maintains its competitive edge. Costco's low-priced hot dog is a strategic loss leader, driving customer traffic. Shoppers fill their carts with other items, increasing average basket size significantly. Data analysis reveals that members who buy hot dogs also purchase bulk items. Warehouse aisles are designed to encourage impulse buys and upselling opportunities. Barcode scanners track purchases, providing valuable insights for marketing strategies. Server racks in data centers process vast amounts of customer shopping data daily. Startup teams study Costco's approach, seeking to replicate its success in retail. Membership cards offer a sense of exclusivity, fostering customer trust and loyalty. Bulk packages and discounted prices create a perception of value among shoppers. Retail checkout lines are optimized to handle high volumes of transactions efficiently. Cloud-based data analysis helps refine Costco's pricing strategy and product offerings. By maintaining its brand promise, Costco ensures customer retention and long-term growth. Costco's hot dog is a loss leader that drives customer loyalty and retention effectively. By maintaining a consistent price, Costco builds trust with its membership base. The hot dog's appeal lies in its simplicity and affordability, a key brand promise. Shoppers flock to warehouse aisles, filling their carts with bulk products and savings. A typical shopping cart contains a mix of essentials and discretionary items, increasing basket size. Membership cards and barcode scanners facilitate seamless checkout experiences, reducing friction. Data center servers process vast amounts of customer data, refining pricing strategies and product offerings. Cloud-based analysis helps Costco identify trends and optimize its product mix, ensuring long-term growth. The interplay between loss leaders and premium products creates a delicate balance, influencing customer behavior. Startup teams analyze consumer trends, seeking to replicate Costco's success with their own brand promises. Scenes of bustling warehouse stores and data centers illustrate the complexities of retail economics. Ultimately, the billion-dollar franc remains a cornerstone of Costco's strategy, driving loyalty and revenue. Behind the scenes, Costco's warehouse operations rely on AI optimization techniques. Advanced algorithms analyze sales data to predict demand and manage inventory levels. Machine learning models help streamline logistics and reduce waste in the supply chain. Data center servers process vast amounts of information to inform business decisions. AI-driven insights enable Costco to maintain its low-price strategy without sacrificing margins. By leveraging AI, the company can offer competitive pricing on bulk products. Membership card data provides valuable information on customer purchasing habits. Barcode scanners and server racks work together to track sales and optimize inventory. Startup teams work to develop new AI solutions to improve operational efficiency. Cloud-based systems enable real-time monitoring and analysis of sales trends. Analysis suggests that Costco's use of AI contributes to its strong brand promise. Ultimately, the billion-dollar franc remains a symbol of the company's commitment to customer trust. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.